And this here is having a time of his life in Jamaica, guys. Oh my God. Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in my neck of the woods in deep rural Westmoreland. Came here just to have a little fellowship with family, you know. I mean, we didn't get a chance in December because of what was happening, but we made a conscious decision to, as best as possible, make sure we follow the protocol, have our mask and so on, because, you know, family is important, you know, and we can't afford to allow this thing to just get a hold of us. So we decided as a family that we're just gonna do something, eat some food and have a little fellowship, as best as possible, try to keep each other safe. So without further ado, I'm gonna share a bit of that with you. So that's my auntie here, enjoying a nice piece of fried chicken. All right, I'm gonna show you a little bit about what's happening here. Then open this, you know. Let me show me my. All right, so this is, what is this?
That's the soup.
What kind of soup is it? Manish water. Goat belly, right? Alright guys, so this is, you have a spoon here. A spoon, let me have a spoon. Alright, so share one, man, go ahead. Alright guys, it's some decent goat belly soup. This is Ensley original. Let's share goat belly soup. We don't have the right cup, but we're going to enjoy it the same way. Alright, so that's goat belly soup. What is in this one now, Shelly? What's in this? Yes, sir.
It's the rice and peas.
Rice and peas, guys. That's your original Jamaican rice and peas.
Well read.
Well read. You have more peas than rice in that. Alright? And the old time pimento wood. What's that?
This, no.
Alright, some nice fried fish, guys. Escovitch or just regular fish? Just fried fish. I know this one. This one is what? Angel?
Yeah, this one's angel.
Angel, yeah. How much?
There's parrot. It's escovitch.
Oh, I like escovitch. Okay, parrot. That's my favorite. It's my favorite parrot.
Yes.
I like all of them, but the parrot one I think I like. My auntie can tell you. All right. Nothing is in that, right? Just gravy.
No, this is curry.
Curry.
Curry goat.
Curry goat. Curry goat, guys. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Real authentic Jamaican curry. Are you cooking, chef?
Ensley.
Ensley. All right. Big up Ensley. Big up Ensley. Original curry goat. I'm moving across my aunt. Other aunt. What you have here, my auntie?
Conch.
Conch.
Conch. Steam roast conch.
Steam roast conch. All right.
Steam roast fish.
Steam roast fish. All right. So this is the conch, guys. That's the conch. All right. Alright, I know. Sorry, I won't be able to share that with you, but that's a conch. And this is the fish, steam roast, auntie?
Yeah,
Steam roast.
Yeah.
Alright, so all of us, as I mentioned earlier, guys, all of us actually just came together to meet up here to share fellowship and eat some good old time food. Alright, now somebody, one of you, is this is roast already?
No.
And I cook it. Alright. This guy, what is his name again, auntie? Trunkfish. Trunkfish. Who remember trunkfish? Original trunkfish. See there? This will be roasted shortly. Alright, it's in a plastic here. Trunkfish, guys. Trunkfish. We have all kind of food here. Alright. And this fire ready for something else. No roast bread. No breadfruit can chew in this. Alright. What is this, sir?
Conch, you know.
Conch. Yeah. You're going like, you're not proud of the conch, man. Alright guys, so that's conch. That's conch there, conch. Love it. That's conch, and this is some whoever is eating this conch here is also eating Manish water. Alright, good. We're not shy now, we're sharing and fellowship, and that's my brother and his daughter. You can see the resemblance. Hi Pepe. Everybody's enjoying the food, guys. I thought I'd share with you some of the, the abundance of fruit trees that we have here. So here is coconut, as you can see, coconut, and we have coconut trees here, and we have coconut on them. Actually, we picked a few earlier. That's Aki over there. There's a noni tree here. Alright. Noni there. More aki. That there is tamarind. Tamarind. Yes man, we're good. Yeah man. Tamarind. That's a tamarind. Here is soursop. Soursop. Bring it down a little more so you can see it. Soursop. Right? Soursop. This house is my grandma's house. She's not here anymore. She passed on. You know, but that's one of the reasons why we chose here, you know, to you know, just to reflect and fellowship with the family. But this is her house. Right? That's a breadfruit tree here. Up there, that's a mango tree here. Almond we call it there. Right? Custard apple just above the tree, the top of the. Here's another one. You probably not have familiar with this one as much, but this is, we call it pongonut. Pongonut, that's what we call it here. But I think it's promegonut, something like that, on the proper word. I'll put it on, I'll share it on the screen so you can see it. But we call it pongonut. So we have that here as well. Alright guys, and it's sharing time. This is my sister here. And my other sisters, my sister and my cousins. Shelly there and Terry there. And we're sharing food. We're sharing food so everybody can have something to eat. Fried chicken here. Rice and peas and chicken there. Alright. Nice. What is that you have? Huh? Alright, what's your name? Tajay. Which school are you attend?
Manning school.
You must say the man in school, man. Alright, big up my Mannings. As you know, guy, I'm a blue blood as well. So big up another family member going to Mannings. Alright, man. Alright, guys, this is Andy. Andy is my cousin from, where he come from? Florida. And he's here, he's having a time of his life in Jamaica, guys. Oh my God, man. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow when he's supposed to go back on the plane eating steamed fish. Andy, big up to the world. Alright, guys, and this is our security guard. Security. Security. This is how we share food here, guys.
Yeah, man.
That's for the governor, right?
Yeah, man. This is what the chef eat, you know?
That's how the chef eat. Love it. G, bless it. Alright, good. Alright, so guys, yeah, we'll be here for a little while. It's all about family and fellowship. We're trying our best to make sure we keep the protocols. You know, but we're trying to make the best of it in these times. As you can see right now, we have some conch again, roasting a roast, conch, steam roast conch going on right here. And over here we have steam roast fish going on right here. So we will be having a good rest of the time. Alright guys, I want to show you something special. This fish here, how much you know it? Look good. Special fish, my auntie having it. Alright, auntie, which fish is that?
They call it angelfish.
Angelfish. Special fish. Alright, this one is wow, looking good. This one is what? Steam roast. Steam roast, guys. Enjoying it. Love it. Somebody roast a potato. And the roast. And I didn't realize. Sorry, man. Nice roast potato. Sweet potato. It's still good, man. We can have it, man.
Yeah, man, you go tear it.
Alright, good.
This side thing, you know. So we do it around here. Scrape around this side. Try to look like this a gravy.
Alright.
Look a better thing too.
Alright guys, so we had a high demand here. We had more people than we expected, so this is what is left of it. But Shelly want me to show you that she still wants to see a part of it, you know. Alright, good. Alright, good. So this is the curry goat with the what left food. Alright, so there you go guys, family time in the country. Love it, love it. We're having a fun time. Thank you so much for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down. What is your favorite fish? What moment of this did you enjoy the most? What was the flashback moment for you? We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. Everybody saying hi, 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 hi. Say hi. Alright, we love you all the best. Ah, she, the fall. Alright guys.